How to save Snapchat photos to your gallery automatically. So first of all, open up a Snapchat. Now at the top left corner, tap on your profile icon. Again at the top right corner, tap on the gear icon to open up settings. Now scroll down a bit and tap on memories. Now tap on save button. Now select memories and camera roll. Now go back. Now select auto save my story snaps. Now select auto save to memories. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a bonding question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.